Hey everybody, it's Melanie with Wigs. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really beautiful fishtail braided back low bun. So I did the fishtail braid in a previous video. You can check that out on Wigs YouTube tutorial videos. What I'm doing right now is just pulling the fishtail out a little bit to make it a little bit messy and give it more of that bohemian look that we're after. I'm going to do that on both sides and just really pulling each individual piece out and fluffing it a bit. Now I'm going to cover the back, and basically all we're doing is taking the fishtail braid, bending it and folding it up so it lays nice and flat. And you can see I'm going to crisscross the one braid over top of the other, and then I'm going to pin it. So I'm going to show you that now with the bobby pins. I take my one braid and lay it flat. Make sure that you're using your bobby pins flat side down. All the little bumps and ridges should be sticking away from your wig cap so that you don't damage your wig cap. And I'm just going to put that in the braid, behind the braid, to kind of stick it in. It's okay if your bobby pin goes through the wefting. That's going to hold it nice and secure. You just don't want to stick your bobby pin through your wig cap. So just be mindful and take your time when you're doing this part of the bun. I'm just going to do this until it's completely secure. Don't worry about the tails on the end just yet. I'm going to take my other braid, and you can see I'm twisting it so that it's flat. If your braid is kind of sitting wonky, try to maneuver it so that it's laying flat to the cap. And I'm securing it with my bobby pins flat side down, just to make sure that it's not going to fall or slip. Taking my time. You only need about 2 or 3 bobby pins, probably depending on the length of your braid. Now, in order to get the crisscross look, I'm putting my finger through the space of my top braid and taking the elastic part where my bottom braid is, and I'm pulling that up through. So I'm going to do that nice and slowly on the other side. I'm just sticking my thumb through that space, and I'm pulling the other pigtail end through. Now I can go back with my bobby pins and secure them and cover that elastic up. I'm lifting the braid up a little bit higher so it covers it, and making sure you can't see the elastic and the pigtail pieces are sticking through. You might need a few extra bobby pins for this, depending on the thickness of your braid and the length of your braid, but you can never have too many bobby pins, so don't worry. I'm making sure that the nape of my neck isn't lifting up, and making sure that it has nice tension all the way throughout. Now for those pigtails ends, don't worry, they're sticking out like crazy right now, but we're going to tuck and pin them in. For this first one, I'm taking it underneath the braid on the bottom, and I'm just going to cover it, cover my nape with the piece and stick it into the extra space between my braid and the wig cap. So you have to do a little bit of feeling around. I wouldn't recommend necessarily doing this part on a mannequin head. I think that it's best if you do this bit while you're actually wearing the wig, so you can feel where your nape piece is resting and how the extra hair is going to cover any pieces that might be exposed. And then I take the other side of my pigtail end, and I'm just going to tuck it over top of the fishtail braid. And so this is why it's important to kind of puff out your fishtail, because the extra pieces that we pulled out in the beginning are going to hide your fishtail end piece. And it's okay if this is a little messy. This is supposed to be a really nice bohemian kind of holiday updo, so it's all right. You don't have to strive for like a neat, tight ballerina bun, but look how cute that is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this hairstyle. Sometimes I leave a little bit of extra wispy pieces down because I can spiral curl them later, and I think it looks really pretty with my bangs. I like to have my ear tab face framing pieces that I cut with my razor kind of flipping out, and I just think the style is so cute. This also works if you don't have bangs. You can leave a few bang pieces out or some face framing pieces out. This also works super cute with a headband or a scarf or any sort of hat for the holiday time. If you're going to be wearing this, literally anything. Okay, so here's the last view of this style. Just absolutely gorgeous, chef's kiss, perfect for the holiday season. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.